package today. I ordered this the other day. I'm really not even sure what's in them. They're from Art Snacks, and they were like a Valentine's blind date special. So from what I kind of think, I think they're just past boxes of you know, the monthly subscription boxes. But they were pretty cheap. They were $10 each. So I'm not expecting too much. Like, they can't possibly be like real full. Hey, I got one sticker. Oh, I got 2 stickers. Hey, cool. I like stickers. Any more? So, okay. Painterly Passion, Long-Term Relationship, Colorful Crush, and Illustrator's Dream. So there's 4 different boxes. I don't know what's in any of them. They give you a bit of a clue. Of course, watercolor, you imagine there's going to be watercolor in them. But I don't know which is which. And I'm not even sure if I'm going to do one project with all the pieces or a project for each one or whatever. But let's open them and see what's in them. Oh, they're like full boxes like you would get. I kind of stopped getting the boxes. Oh, these are cool. I've never tried these. Because I was getting too much stuff that I wouldn't use, or I was getting repeats of stuff that I already had. So I thought this was a cheap way to kind of get back into, I don't know, something fun. So these, this must be the watercolor box. It's got these watercolor sheets with them. I've never tried these. Hola. I handcrafted this for you. So, oh, how cool is that? Yeah, so there's just watercolor on here, and you just wet your brush and you can use the colors. So that'll be kind of fun. I've never tried these. Good variety of colors. Ooh. You see the peacock blue? That's pretty cool. So, oh, a couple of them are like that. So those must be like metallic ones. Neat. Well, those will be fun. All right. Oh, I guess this tells you what's in it. I'm not going to look at it. Hopefully it's a brush. Isn't it a sticker? I love stickers. Zig Clean Color. I love these pens. I have a ton of them. Oh, that's good. I love these. Kuretake Zig brush pens, and they're water soluble. Nice brush. White nylon, which I like. A small little round. What number is it? Number 1. And a brush sign pen. I like this color. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Cool. All right. For $10, can't go wrong. I don't like this candy, so I'm not eating it. All right. So, yeah, maybe I'll do a picture with each one. Maybe I'll do it in my sketchbook. This was the May 2022. This was the Viva color sheets. The Zig Real Brush Clean Color brush sign pen. Is there something else? Oh, the brush. Yeah, I did use all of these. I did use a bigger brush to do this because this brush is just too tiny to do all of it. I used this brush, just a bigger round brush. And I know that I used, I can see I used some Micron, so it looks like I used a gray one and a black one, so I must have just used these 2 things. Put a little shine in the eye. Okay, and I use this. Okay, this is the second one. Let's see what this is. This is Warheads. Extremely sour. I do like sour, so I might try that. Ooh, nice. I love these brushes. The snap brushes. And it's a filbert, which I also like. Already like. Oh, gouache. I get another sticker. I think I'm going to get more stickers than I thought. Gouache. I have this gouache, which I love. Chinese white burnt sienna. I may not have those colors. And a little mechanical pencil. I love mechanical pencils. Good. And I love this brush. Interesting. Brown and white. I'm not sure if I can do something with just brown and white. Maybe I'll end up doing... okay, so it tells you this was from April 2022. This was May 2022. Since I haven't been a subscriber for a while, I won't have already gotten these. All right, so that's the second one. These are the materials that came in the box. It was 2 gouache, a paintbrush, and a pencil. I did use all of those in this. But in addition, I used a couple other colors of the same kind of gouache. I used these 3. I used this marker, which is the acrylic brush marker. I used this smaller brush, this white pen, ink brush pen, and I used a couple of, I guess these are, one's watercolor, one's not, marker, and that's it. It was tough because, I mean, the cat's got brown and white, but it also has, you know, a little bit of black. April 22, that was the Art Snacks box. Okay. This is the third. Oh, pencil sharpener. I love pencil sharpeners. Cool. Oh, that's how you empty it. So how do you get the top? Is it? Oh. Oh, how cool. Color pencil, jumbo, and graphite. That's neat. Oh, I like that. I love little travel pencil sharpeners. And I like the color. Cool. I like that. Oh, I'm excited. It's Smarties. I like Smarties. Okay. So far, so good. This is from June 2022. Love these erasers. Another sticker. Oh, it's got little oranges on it, which I love, little oranges. And some Copic markers, which I don't use a lot, but I keep watching Bailey J on YouTube, and she uses them all the time. It gets me curious to try them, because I've just never been into Copics, except for my little liner ones that I have. So it's kind of fun. And this is just a general's pencil. Looks pretty dark though. All right, that's good. Pencil. So this is another one. Okay, this is number 3. This is what came with it. This pencil sharpener, this eraser, pencil, and 2 Copic markers. Now, I used a pencil, and I used a sharpener and an eraser. I just didn't use these because I did these last night. So these were tough. I used the blue here, and I used the purple here, but that's about all I could get to get this to work. I used acrylic ink to get this wash, this beige colored wash. I used some, again, this pen for white highlight. I used the Micron for the outline. I used this color ace just to get the nose color. And I used a gray line maker, which is like a Micron, but it's a little bit lighter than the black. And that's it. So that's kitty number 3. And this is the last one. I'm trying to think of what else is left. There's more. Oh, that's another extreme sour black raspberry. I'll try that. Okay. And that one's from August of 2022. It's fun. I haven't gotten these boxes in so long. I love opening these. Another sticker. That one's got little smileys on it. Oh, I'm happy with the stickers. I mean, I love stickers. Oh, I love these. I have one of these, but it's silver. A little ruler. I just love that they're small. And I always carry one in my little pencil case. Where is it? Although I don't have one of these in there. I just have a regular flat one. That might have to go in. I like having a straight edge with me. Oh, those look so nice. Why did they have to send me green? I hate phthalo green. It's terrible. Micron, I can always use that. That's a good size. It's a size I like to use a lot. 0.03, is it? And this is, oh, it's another, I don't know. I guess it's a mechanical pencil. Is anything coming out of it? It doesn't seem like it. Okay, I don't know. I can't figure out how to get the pencil lead out. Okay, now it's out. Just took a while. So it's just a retractable one, I guess. And these are, oh, they're watercolor. Magnus. So that's black and phthalo green. Whoa! I hate phthalo green. I do like green. I know I say all the time I hate green. I like warm greens. I like lime green and I like an olive green. I just hate the bluish phthalo green. I don't know why. I just don't like it. They write really nice though. They're nice. Nice and smooth. And they're watercolor, so, or water soluble. Nice. Yeah, they're nice and smooth. Oh, that's nice. Okay, now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. Oh, these are really nice. Now I wanna get some of these. Faber-Castell, Albrecht Dürer. Magnus. Oh, I'm gonna have to look into those. Damn it. I don't need anything else, but I like these. These work really nice. Okay. This, I forgot, where's the thing? This was the August 20 of 2022. Came with the ruler, which I didn't use because there was nothing to use it for. Pencil. Yeah, mechanical pencil, micron. Yeah, and these two watercolor pencils, I use them both. I didn't use that, but I did use these. The extra things I used again the white pen, and I used a brush because to do the gray color, I scraped this off. Well, so I used this too. So I scraped it off and mixed it with water so I could do a wash, and then I just went over and did lines with that. Okay, I hope this wasn't too discombobulating. I wasn't sure how I was going to approach this, so after I did the first video of opening the boxes, I then did 4 separate videos for each of the pictures that I drew or painted, and I didn't do a speed draw or a speed paint or anything. I just recorded the part that you saw previously, and then I just decided to just stick them in there after each box. I thought it would be kind of a little more interesting that way. So anyway, just wanted to say thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.